Hello, what is up everyone, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have quite a sick JDM Hot Wheels car. Today we have the 1989 Mazda Savanna RX-7 FC3S. So this is number 4 out of 10 from the Hot Wheels the 90s and number 51 out of 250. So let's go ahead and open this up. Oh yeah, I mentioned there Hot Wheels the 90s. It's actually Hot Wheels the 80s. Correction there, my mistake. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this one up. So here it is, the Mazda Savanna RX-7 in this leafy, what's this? It's more of like metal flake leafy green, I would say. Or like this leaf type of color of the green, and it just looks absolutely amazing. Like, not gonna lie, it's such a great color compared to the metallic red that I used to have. Like this particular casting has released 3 times previously, and I only have one from the previous version. I had the red one, that was the first launch of the car, and then secondly they launched the white one, if I'm not mistaken, the white Savanna with the white rims, obviously. And then after that they had the Night Burners 5-pack, which was one in yellow, as you may remember. Some of you may have that 5-pack, I think. And now currently we have this, which is, like I said, it's in this leafy green, metal flake green, which just looks so goddamn good, especially with the rims that they go with. It just looks like a completely high class, great looking JDM car. So yeah, let's take a look at the casting itself right now. So here it is, the Mazda RX-7 Savanna FC3S, and as you can see, yeah, the side just looks so good, and I love the rims that they go with. They come with these thread looking rims. It's like thread, I don't remember what they're called, but it's something with thread. I don't remember what it is, but one thing's for sure is it is in chrome gold, which looks suitable with this color, not gonna lie. I hope they do more JDM cars with this type of gold. It would remind me of that Subaru 22B with the golden rims. I used to like that one as well because it had golden rims with it, because any car with golden rims would be a matching success if the car color of the body matches the golden rims, obviously. And here's the front. As you can see, yeah, you have the signal lights, as you can see. Yeah, those are for the signals. And then you have the front bumper right there. I mean, even with the front grille. And then supposedly you have the pop-up headlights, but obviously you don't, right here. And then you have the hood scoop right here, which yeah, you can see from the side right there. You have the hood scoop pop up a bit, yeah, right into there. And then moving on to the roof, you can see that this has a it's not exposed, it's not an exposed what do you call that, sunroof, but well, there's supposed to be a sunroof, but obviously it's not exposed. You have the front windshield, and as you can see right there, you have a black interior. You even have this massive rear windshield right here, which is quite big and kind of reminds me of one of the Porsches that they've Mattel has done before. I don't remember what it's called, but it used to be in red as well. Moving on to the back, you have the rear light details, which I do like very much, and you have the Hot Wheels logo right there the Hot Wheels logo as the license plate right there. You have two exhaust pipes at the bottom, no diffusers as per usual. Moving on to the base, you have Mazda Savanna RX-7 FC3S 2019 or 2018? 2019 model, made in Malaysia. I wouldn't say this is much of a rare casting to find. I mean, well, I did quite find a few out there in the wild, but still, I mean in stores of course, but it's not really that rare, I would say. I mean, it's quite easy to find as well for this type of casting. I mean, it's quite good. It's not as rare as the Mazda 787B, but overall it is quite good. And nonetheless, it would be a great car to have in your collection, side by side with the white color, or maybe even the yellow color, or maybe even the red one. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Mazda RX-7 Savanna. Let me know what you think down in the comments of this car. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.